My name is Blake Jones. I'm an integrative organismal biologist at Bennington College. So I have a few different projects that I'm working on. First, I'm interested in how the hormonal stress response develops in young songbirds. So I'm taking a look at nestlings in the nest and seeing how that changes as they grow older. I'm also interested in how animals communicate the dangers of predation among each other and even across species. And also I'm working locally here with some conservation efforts, trying to understand how natural populations of birds and insects change with changing land use. So going from agricultural to natural grassland. How does that change the population of the wildlife? How do I balance my research and my teaching? And so I do my best to try to incorporate the two where it's appropriate. And so, for example, I study stress physiology. So when I teach vertebrate physiology, which is a class that covers anything you can imagine about physiology, I use a substantial part of that class to talk in depth about stress physiology. Another example, when I teach an animal behavior class, I teach a lot about learning and memory in non-human animals. I teach a lot about animal communication. These are areas that I'm interested in. And so we sort of, with the students, I'm taking a deep dive already for my own scholarship. So I take that into the classroom and the students come do the deep dive with me. And often it sparks interest among students that sort of carry over to sort of the pedagogical opportunities outside of the classroom. So independent studies that students are doing on their own. Fieldwork term students that are working with me during the summer, during the winter doing research. They sort of lay a foundation and then they sort of do research with me and kind of develop their own little niche to kind of make it their own.